Why do rewards change behavior?
Great question. Rewards change behavior because they activate brain circuits that release dopamine and strengthen certain actions. And, when dopamine is released, the brain marks that behavior is important and worth repeating. So, if you stay with me, you will see how reward pathways shape habits, learning, and even addiction.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
1. Understanding reward circuits helps explain how learning and habit formation work in the brain. 2. It shows how motivation is linked to dopamine signaling, which is central in psychology and medicine. 3. This concept helps explain disorders like addiction and depression, which involve altered reward processing.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
Number 1. Imagine the brain like a garden where dopamine waters the behaviors it wants to grow. Number 2. The core truth is that behaviors followed by reward become stronger neural pathways. Number 3. If you remember reward strengthened circuits, you can predict which habits will stick.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
Yes. 1. A behavior occurs and leads to a rewarding outcome, which triggers dopamine release in the reward pathway. 2. Dopamine strengthens synaptic connections in circuits active during that behavior. 3. The next time a similar cue appears, the strengthened pathway increases the likelihood of repeating the behavior.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
Number 1. A student who receives praise for studying feels motivated to study again, because reward strengthens that learning circuit. Number 2. Addictive substances overstimulate dopamine pathways, which can overpower normal reward balance. Number 3. Behavioral therapy uses small positive reinforcements to reshape habits by carefully guiding reward signals.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
1. Say dopamine decides what to do again. 2. Picture a path in the forest becoming clearer each time it is walked. 3. When building habits, choose rewards wisely, because your brain is always wiring itself. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together. Don't miss the quiz episode. Brains remember better when they are tested.
See you in the next episode.